Welcome, everyone. In this video, I am just going to piggyback off of the last two um, inefficiency or imbalance videos. This is a current setup that I have taken on AUD USD on just an efficiency setup alone. So it was very simple setup and clean to the point. Um, what I saw was this retracement up and then an aggressive impulse to the downside here, breaking structure, right? Um, Indicating, giving us that that confirmation on directional bias. And in the making of breaking that structure, we see sell side slippage, leaving an efficiency and price. Okay, so here was the before setup, and here was the after setup. So you can see cleanly there was rejection. This is on the 5-minute time frame. So I think this was about a 2 pip drawdown for a maximum, I think it was around 42 pips. But yeah, so inefficiencies, if you guys know and understand how to use them properly and when to use them properly, they can be a very powerful arsenal to add to your style of trading.